Okay guys, so the stump grinder is going back. The salesman is going to unload it. Let's take a look at the next tool we'll be renting. For the S70, I have to rent for the job on Friday. We're going to be renting the HB 680. This is the concrete breaker for the S70 and the MT series machine. So the 55 and the 85, brand new. Going right in the rental fleet. Even comes with the instruction manual, so if I'm a little confused, I can always consult it. And this is your tool that changes the bit out. So what would happen is you would use this tool to pop this band off. You pull the pin out and the bit comes right out, and you can switch through different bits. So this bit, I guess, is the concrete breaking bit. I have a different bit on my hammer. So this is a little bit of a different bit, maybe a different style or updated version of it. Whichever. So this is the next toy. So does this machine come with heat? Does this machine come with heat? Yeah. No? It's engine heat. Oh wow, you got an elbow fitting here too?
Yeah.
Wow, you got some major equipment here. Nice. Okay. Beautiful. Looking good. Man, Google calls me every single day at 3:30 in the afternoon. Google.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, to update your free Google business listing. Okay. So we're at the next job, guys. Here's my good friend. All right. So what we're doing today. We're taking this out. We got to put it, I think he wants to put cement all in here. I think we're taking this out or up to here, I'm not sure.
Cement today?
No, got to do Monday. It's going to freeze.
Right now too, it's freezing.
We're changing all this. All of this comes out. See how it's pitched towards the house? We need to pitch it this way. Okay? And we're taking this all out too. Okay.
Okay.
I got
This concrete come out.
this concrete comes out. I got you a bag of sand. What I want you to do is take the sand, and we got to raise these pavers. You got to make the pavers be the right height.
Yeah, pero
Okay.
now the shit is press.
Well, do the best you can. Okay. So once we start breaking the cement, then we could start popping this out. All right, so we're just going to raise him up. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we got to raise it up so he doesn't have a tripping hazard. The hoses on the brand new concrete breaker, the 680, are too short for the S70. So it wound up cracking their quick coupler. So, and I'd only have to pay for their new quick coupler. I'm going to have to pay them for the rental, which is now useless to me. So they're going to come and pick up the machine, because without the breaker, it's useless. So if you have an S70, I didn't try it, but I guess you should take it out of this D-ring. On my 880 or 980, whatever I have, you run it through the D-ring and you're fine. But so you see how much it settled?
Oh yeah.
No seal on it. Uh-oh.
I woke up this morning, tied my boots up, 'cause I knew it was gonna be a long day. Tied my truck up, grabbed my coffee, kissed my baby, got on my way. 'Cause I'm working till it's working. That's the only way to make an honest day's pay. So I'm working even when it's hurting. That's the only way to make an honest day's wage. Yeah, I'm up early with the birdies, ready to get dirty. This ain't a song for you if you asleep at 7:30. I rise like the sun on the bag of the pounds. Full throttle in the bottle like that homemade shine. I'm just trying to make a living. Boss man tripping, my overtime strong. I don't pay him no attention. Money in a mason jar, country boy pitching. Old lady, 3 kids, take a lot to fill the kitchen. Fingernails dirty, my back stay hurting. You can bet I got a plan for every penny that I'm earning. I ain't asking for a raise, but I know the boss serve me. Nobody on his job sites working like I'm working. 30 below to 100 degrees, and you ain't pushing hard enough if your hands don't bleed. I'm the first to clock in and the last to leave, and I ain't never had a problem rolling up my sleeves. This morning, tied my boots up, 'cause I knew it was gonna be a long day. Tied my truck up, grabbed my coffee, kissed my baby, got on my way. 'Cause I'm working till it's hurting. That's the only way to make an honest day's pay. So I'm working even when it's hurting. That's the only way to make an honest day's wage. I'm out the door by sunup, focused on the come up. We never sleep in, that ain't how we was brought up. I push it to the limit when the money gets low, and been known to work past when the plant whistle blows. Paycheck feeling like a lottery ticket. I might save a couple bucks if my kids don't spend it. Don't matter, 'cause I love it every day of my life. Spend more time on the clock than I do with my wife. State to state, never late, putting miles on the road. Drop it off, fill it up, get me to my next load. Call my old lady, let her know I'll be late. And I ain't worried, 'cause I know that she gon' save me a plate. I told you 30 below to 100 degrees, and you ain't pushing hard enough if your hands don't bleed. I'm the first to clock in and the last to leave, and I ain't never had a problem rolling up my sleeves. This morning, tied my boots up, 'cause I knew it was gonna be a long day. Tied my truck up, grabbed my coffee, kissed my baby, got on my way. 'Cause I'm working till it's hurting. That's the only way to make an honest day's pay. So I'm working even when it's hurting. That's the only way to make an honest day's wage.
Well, guys, as you can see, we're trying to finish to get the stone in place. And now we're encountering a little bit of a snowstorm. So I'm filling up the wheelbarrows, and they're bringing them into the back, well down the side. Okay, so we're back here on the site, and we're just getting ready. The cement truck is on the way. We're just drilling the steel all in here. So all in here, we have to drill steel to the house. That's going to hold the slab from settling again. This is your plate compactor. You doing some plate compactor? This stone is terrible. A lot of dirt in it. Not big stone. So now once he finishes drilling, you just to pick up the rebar. You put it inside, and you tap it in with the hammer, and that's going to help hold it. Over here, we raised up the pavers using the bag of sand. So now the pavers are to the right height with the stairs. So this water will just wash all here, go against this wall, and go all the way down that way. Okay, cement truck is here. Wrap the pipe with some plastic. Rebar and wire is in. We are good to go.
One more time again.
Oops. Oh my goodness. Accidente. Okay. This is my favorite trowel. I love this trowel.
Looking different now, Mikey.
What happened? That looks different. Yeah, it looks a little
I
deeper.
don't want it. Nice,
I like you when I do the brood guys.
Yeah. The job is looking good. It's looking like that. Look. There.
I think you're being a little harsh on the door. Oops. Ah, shoot, missed the spot.
Oh, you need everything. Yeah, everything. Now. Then the here. Take the here. Everything. See?
It's all sloped away from the house. Over here, in this spot, we picked it up 2 inches to make sure the water slides away. You see the plastic that's protecting the pipe. That keeps the pipes from rotting. Concrete likes to make the pipes rot. So you see how we put expansion joints at every corner? There's a joint there. There's an expansion joint here. There's a joint over there right in the middle. Expansion joint here, and we're putting a line here. And the purpose for all of that is, for whatever reason, the cement always likes to crack when it changes its shape at a corner. So a lot of times you'll get a crack going this way, going up towards the wall, or you might just get a crack going straight across. So we want to try to avoid that, so you put the expansion joint there, and hopefully it'll crack in that spot. We also put a little concrete here. He was having a water issue here as well. So that's why we poured this little 2-foot piece, pitched it away from the house. This way he has no more issues with water by the house, hopefully. So we're wrapping this up. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.